Miss Jackson.
Hello everybody, welcome to Math is Life channel. Today I am going to talk about fifth section of chapter 3, which is the least common multiple LCM. What's LCM? LCM is the smallest multiple of two or more numbers. We have three rules. Everybody, first of all, you are going to write the numbers by prime. You are going to write your number by prime. We know from the previous lesson. Then we are going to choose the common prime numbers. Then lastly, we multiply all the prime numbers. But common prime numbers only once. Let's see an example to understand well. We are going to find LCM of 8 and 12. Everybody, first of all, we are going to write 8 by prime. Then we are going to write 12 by prime. Let's see. 8. Which two numbers? Everybody, 4 and 2. Is 4 prime number? No, we are going to continue. Is 2 prime number? Yes, we are going to make it circled. Now let's continue by 4. Everybody, which two numbers? Which are 2 and 2. Is 2 prime number? Is 2 prime number? Yes, we are going to make it. We are going to make them circled. Now let's write 8 by prime. 2 times 2 times 2. Now let's write another number which is 12 by prime. Let's see. How can we get 12? Everybody, 4 and 3. Is 4 prime number? No. We are going to continue from 4. Then is 3 prime number? Yes, we are going to make it circled. Now let's continue by 4. Which two numbers? Which two numbers? Which are 2 and 2. Is 2 prime number? Is 2 prime number? Yes. Because of that, we are going to make it. We are going to make them circle. Now let's write the 12 by prime, which is 2 times 2 times 3. Everybody. Now let's choose the common prime numbers. This is 2, this is 2. Are they common? Yes. Because of that, we are going to make them circled. Next, 2 and 2. Are these common? Yes. Because of that, we are going to make them circled. Just 2 and 3. Are they common? No. Because of that, we cannot make a blue circle, red one and green one. Everybody, now, what can we do? You multiply all the prime numbers. We are going to multiply all the prime numbers. But common prime numbers only once. These are common only once. Let's see what I mean. 2 comes from the first. Another 2 comes from the second. Then red one and green one. If you multiply them, you will get 24. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.